In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 8A, and let me show you how to activate default dim on the following device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with some different dim. You can take a look at the lock screen, home screen, icons and so on. And if you would like to activate classic one, the default dim, just open the settings, then find and select dims right here and click on agree. And all you have to do now is to go to my dims and select classical. Now click on apply. And that's it. As you can see now, you've got brand new, actually the default dim applied to your device, so you can see it everywhere. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.